Okay, Cole's got some pretty good fundamentals of swinging, and I can tell that he's either worked on this or somebody's worked on it with him because I see some good elements of swinging. However, there are a few things that to go over here, and I'm going to do it quick. You might want to go back slow, but one is his hands, his knock or knuckles, the ones he'd knock on a door with, those should line up, or at least be halfway between the knocker and the big top knuckles. Um, and he's not doing that, so he's losing some stability at the point of contact. But let's take a look. Um, One thing is when Cole takes his stride step, he does what we call steps into the bucket. Because watch where he goes with his stride step, he takes half his power away because see how he turns it and opens it? That should be a straight step towards the pitcher and should not open like that. Now, you'll see guys like this here, his is a little bit open, but it's a direct step. It's not a step out. And you can see how his hips don't turn um, prior to actually executing the swing. See how when his step comes, his hips have not turned yet. Cole loses some of his power because when he turns his front foot, he's turning some of his hips. The other thing is his hips turn with his swing. See, as he's swinging, there's his hips. His hips should turn first. Look at this guy. Hips turn, bat's still back. He's almost fully turned and the bat is still backed. When you see Cole, his hips don't fully turn until he's now fully turned. His bat's into the zone. Now look at the blurs on the bat. If you look, you can see when the highest bat speed is. That one, then look at how big that blur is and how big that one is. That's the highest bat speed. That's where he should be hitting the ball. But yet, look at how small that one is, and this is just before impact. Now, just before impact, also, the bat is in front of his hands. You don't want that. You want the bat behind the hands, like this guy on the left. You see how that's where his hands are. That's called staying inside of the ball. He wants to do that. He should focus on getting his hip explosion first, and then that causes a kind of a wrapping effect, and then unravels into his arm swing. And you can see that the weakness of it caused his whole body. Look at this, boom. He gets knocked back by the ball hitting the bat, and that won't happen if he hits it more at this part of his swing, and also if he uses his hips to strengthen his stance.